Welcome to a question in which they give us a volume formula for a right circular cone. Let's bring that down. Volume equals 1/3 pi x squared y. And they're telling us the volume is 60 pi. So put in a 60 pi right here. And we get 1/3 pi x squared y. Okay. And what do they want? They want us to find dy dx. So what are we going to do? We're going to take the derivative of both sides, right? So we'll do that. So step one, derivative for both sides. Okay, what's going to happen? Well, do you realize pi is just a number? This is like pi is about 3. This is about 180, whatever. The derivative is 0, right? The derivative of a plain number, even if it has a pi is just another number. It doesn't have an x or a y, so the derivative is 0. It can't change. It's fixed. So its rate of change is 0. And what about the other side? 1/3 pi again, that's just a number. That's just multiplying. So we know what numbers multiplying in the front of a function do. They just sit there as a spectator. That doesn't go to 0 because he's got an x squared y with him. So he's going to sit there, whereas this one doesn't have any x, y next to him, so he just goes to 0. Okay, now, how do I find the derivative of this? Well, product rule. Product, because it's two things multiplied, huh? So we have to take turns. So first off, the x squared goes. And you know that's 2x, and the y just stays as it is. Plus, the x squared stays as it is, and then it's the y's term. It's the derivative of the y, and this was the derivative of the x squared. There we go, like that. Okay, so now we need to solve for y prime. I'm going to do a little trick which will save us some time and effort. That 1/3 pi, you might think got to move it or do something like that. No, it's going to be gonzo right away. Just divide by it. 1/3 pi. 1/3 pi, pi. What's 0 over anything? 0. So it's just gone, right? Keep the colors the same here. So that's 2. Oh, just not going too hasty here. 2x y plus x squared y prime. Okay, now solve for y prime. Grab this guy, jump it over there. Becomes negative 2xy when it goes to the other side. X squared, probably the same. Y prime. And then we divide by x squared. Boom, boom. So y prime. Here, um, this x cancels one of these, right? Because that's really two x's down there. So minus 2y over x. There's y prime. Now, okay, finally they want us to plug in x is 6, y is 5. X is 6, y is 5. So x is 6, y is 5. So x is 6, y is 5. So minus 2 times 5 is minus 10 over x, which is 6. And there we go, minus 10, 6. We got it. And so there we go.